Here we are, part 2 of artificial selective focus, and we were just at a place where we were going to paint this in. And alright, so we had a selection made, right? And we are on our filter, brush, and black, and you can be as sloppy as you want because there's a selection made. So when I click and drag, right, I don't have to be careful. I can just go down, and anywhere like right here where it made a mistake, I can always go back. I can flip to white and move my brush down, and I can come in there and then just clean up that one little spot. Okay? So when I'm done with that, I hit Control D for deselect, or I go up here to the select and hit deselect. Okay? That takes that off, and then I can see, ooh, yep, I gotta just clean that up a little bit and come in with white and reveal the blur on those areas there, okay? So that's how you do that. Now, I would continue going on with these other foreground elements, okay? But now, let's zoom out. As things go back in space, they're gonna slowly get more and more blurry, okay? So this is a cool little trick. On my mask now, I can create a gradient. So I could paint, okay? One way to do it is to go like this. Select the mask. I'm going to enlarge my brush, okay? And get my black. Change the opacity now. So it was at 100% for that super sharpness, and I want to start dulling it down. So I'll bring it down to like an 80%. And I'm going to paint in one stripe right across, like that. And then I will go ahead and lower it even more, down to maybe like 60%. I'm going to go even bigger with my brush and do one swipe. And then even lower. So maybe like a 30%, and I want a soft brush now when I'm doing this kind of stuff because I want them all to blend together. And I don't remember where I was, so watch this. If I hit the Alt button and select my mask, bam, my mask appears, and I can just paint right on my mask like that. And then finally the last one, I'll bring it down real low. So what happens is it's blending back and forth. And look at these hard edges. See, that looks pretty nasty. That is one way to do it. Okay? Let me hit the Alt key and select the mask again to get rid of it. See, look at that. That nice gradual change from sharp to blurry. Here's an even easier way. I'm going to go ahead and hit Control Alt Z to step back a few stages here. There. Now we're back at just this one. And just so you can see it, I'll hit the mask. Okay, that's where we're at now. Now what I can do, check this out. I'll leave the mask on. I'm going to go to my gradient tool, which is right here. It's shared with the paint bucket. And the default is black to white. If it's not that, just click on the actual gradient and click black to white. Okay, hit OK. And I'm going to take I'm going to drag from the bottom up. It's going to start with black and end with white. And if I let go, it makes this beautiful gradient. But look, it got rid of my flower that I already had masked out. So I'm going to hit Control Z. And the way to fix that is do a selection first again. So again, use the quick selection tool here. And I'm going to paint the white area just like that. So now it's all white. Now when I get my gradient and drag up, watch what happens. And I want to go nice and straight. Now it just paints in the selected area. And now let's take the Alt key and select the mask. And look at that gorgeous fade from clear to blurry. Alright, and then you hit Select, Deselect to fix that. Now, a few more seconds left, and we'll do a part 3.